Yo, what's up? So we're gonna go ahead to DFS and TNT Fireworks for July 4th. It's June 28th, the first day. Yeah. Natalie here. Our budget this year is gonna be $100, but we have the 20% off $100. So spend some at TNT. Yeah. That's it for now. So yeah, we're heading there. We're going to DFS first, about a 15-minute drive, and we'll see you when we get there. Just arrived, and you guys can see the booth in the corner. Sorry, my camera's running out of battery, but you can see it right there. So yeah, we'll go check it out. So we weren't able to get footage of the place, but we're in the car. We'll go over a full thing later, but we just got the Patriot pack. Hold it up.
What are these even?
And we got a retro, and then a Wimpy right there, and then we got some smaller novelties, which Natalie will show. Natalie will show.
Okay, so we got some of these ammo smoke, some sparklers, these mini cricket fountains, and then a couple of these ground bloom flowers.
Yep. So yeah, we'll go over the full review, and we'll also be heading to TNT later in the day. So we just stopped at this TNT right there, and we just bought a couple more fireworks. It's me again. So we just went home for a couple hours, and we just came to TNT. We got the catalog, which we'll be doing a little thing later on. It's also the DFS, which I don't have right now. Here's the TNT catalog. And then here's the stuff that we got. We just got 2 of the new Centennial fountains, $12 each. So the other one, another Centennial fountain. And then we also got a Cool Breeze. We'll do another thing later, or we'll look at all of them. This one was $1.50. Alright, now we're heading to Phantom just to get a catalog. I don't think we're gonna get anything there. We'll be there in 5 minutes, and we'll show you guys the catalog and the stand there.